Welcome to our comprehensive exploration of the civil and criminal justice systems in the UK. In this educational video, we will delve into the roles and responsibilities of various legal entities, including the police and the Crown Prosecution Service. We'll also examine the latest reforms in the civil justice process and alternative methods for dispute resolution. Our goal is to provide a clear understanding of these complex systems and their impact on justice and society. The police in the UK have specific powers and duties when it comes to arresting individuals. They must have reasonable grounds to suspect involvement in a crime and must follow a set procedure. This includes identifying themselves, stating the reason for arrest, and explaining why it is necessary. For those under 18, special considerations are in place, such as informing the school and contacting parents or guardians. These protocols ensure that arrests are conducted lawfully and with respect for individual rights. Police officers have the authority to stop and question individuals and, under certain conditions, conduct searches. Officers must have reasonable grounds to suspect possession of illegal items like drugs or weapons. However, individuals are not obligated to answer questions unless there is a valid reason for suspicion. This balance of power and rights is crucial in maintaining public trust and preventing abuse of authority. After an arrest, individuals have the right to free legal advice before questioning. This can be accessed through a duty solicitor or by contacting one's own lawyer. In less serious cases, advice may be offered over the phone. This right ensures that individuals are informed and protected during legal proceedings, highlighting the importance of legal representation in the justice system. The Crown Prosecution Service, CPS, plays a pivotal role in prosecuting criminal cases in England and Wales. Independent of the police and government, the CPS evaluates evidence and decides on prosecutions. Their duty is to ensure justice by prosecuting the right person for the right offence. This independence is vital for a fair and unbiased legal process. The CPS follows a structured decision-making process, guided by the Code for Crown Prosecutors. This involves assessing evidence to determine if there is a realistic prospect of conviction and if prosecution is in the public interest. The CPS works closely with police and courts to deliver justice, ensuring that cases are handled with fairness and integrity. The CPS has 5 main roles: advising police on charges, reviewing cases, deciding on prosecutions, preparing cases for trial, and presenting them in court. Each step is crucial in ensuring that justice is served efficiently and effectively. By working with various legal entities, the CPS upholds the integrity of the justice system. Lord Wolf's review of the civil justice system identified key issues like high costs and delays. His reforms aim to create a more efficient system through case management and simplified procedures. These changes were designed to make justice more accessible and equitable for all parties involved. The former civil justice system was criticised for being too expensive, favouring wealthier litigants. Reforms introduced fixed costs for cases to address this imbalance. Simplifying civil procedures helped reduce costs and made legal processes more accessible to the general public. Delays were a significant problem in the civil justice process, particularly in personal injury and medical cases. To combat this, case management was introduced to streamline proceedings and reduce waiting times. This reform aimed to alleviate the financial and emotional burden on affected parties. The introduction of the Civil Procedure Rules in 1999 marked a shift towards a more cooperative litigation culture. These rules aim to eliminate unnecessary costs and delays, promoting fairness and efficiency in the civil justice system. The focus on dealing with cases justly ensures that all parties are treated equitably. Alternative dispute resolution methods offer a way to resolve disputes without going to court. Encouraged by the Access to Justice report, ADR includes mediation, arbitration, and conciliation. These methods provide quicker, cheaper, and less adversarial solutions to legal conflicts. Mediation involves a neutral third party helping disputing parties reach a mutually acceptable agreement. It's a voluntary process that preserves relationships and is often quicker and less costly than court proceedings. Mediation empowers parties to find their own solutions in a supportive environment. Arbitration involves an arbitrator who facilitates the resolution of disputes outside of court. Governed by the Arbitration Act 1996, This method is often used in commercial disputes. It provides a binding resolution that is generally quicker and more flexible than traditional litigation. Conciliation is similar to mediation, but involves a conciliator who actively advises parties on resolving disputes. This method is independent and aims to guide parties towards a resolution. Conciliation is particularly useful in employment and commercial disputes, where ongoing relationships are important. Negotiation is the simplest form of ADR, involving direct discussions between parties to resolve disputes. It's often the first step in conflict resolution and can occur with or without legal representation. Negotiation is both cost-effective and efficient, fostering cooperative problem-solving. Miscarriages of justice occur when individuals are wrongfully convicted. Causes include plea bargains, confirmation bias, and evidence mishandling. These errors undermine public confidence in the justice system and highlight the need for rigorous legal standards and oversight. Wrongful convictions often result from factors like eyewitness misidentification, false confessions, and government misconduct. The Innocence Project identifies these issues as significant contributors to miscarriages of justice. Addressing these causes is essential for maintaining trust in the legal system. The impact of wrongful convictions is profound, affecting individuals and society. They lead to loss of freedom for the innocent and erode trust in the justice system. Addressing these issues requires systemic changes and increased accountability within legal processes. Efforts to prevent wrongful convictions focus on improving investigative practices and ensuring fair trials. This includes better training for law enforcement and stricter adherence to legal standards. These measures aim to protect the innocent and uphold the integrity of the justice system. Technology plays an increasingly important role in modernizing the justice system. From digital evidence management to virtual courtrooms, technology enhances efficiency and accessibility. These innovations support fairer and more transparent legal proceedings. The future of the justice system lies in continued reform and adaptation to societal needs. Emphasizing fairness, efficiency, and accessibility will ensure that justice serves all members of society. Ongoing dialogue and innovation are key to achieving these goals. In conclusion, understanding the intricacies of the civil and criminal justice systems is crucial for navigating legal challenges. Through reforms and alternative dispute resolution methods, the UK aims to create a more just and efficient legal environment. By staying informed and engaged, individuals can contribute to a fairer justice system. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the UK's legal landscape. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into the justice system and its ongoing evolution. Stay informed and continue to explore the world of law and justice.